Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to withdraw the money from Payoneer to bank account. So I have a 139 USD in my account. You can see here. This dollar I am going to withdraw into my bank. So let me see how to be the process, how the process works. Okay. So if you have a euro, you will be able to withdraw the euro as well. This is the USD. There is another one is a euro. If you want, you will be able to, if it is a euro, the same process. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw this USD as well. So first step, you have to go to this is the option withdraw and transfer of Payoneer account. Okay, if you want to go and click on this, here there is a withdraw to bank. Before withdraw the bank, first you have to add the bank. How to add the bank? There is a bank account. Click on it. This is the option where you can add your bank account, connect your bank account. Here click on this option, bank accounts. So I already added 3 banks over here. Here there is an option called add account. Click on that option. Here you will be able to add your bank details over here. So person, I am Sri Lankan, I am select the country as Sri Lanka. You can select your country where you live in. So here select your appropriate currency. Okay, here our one is LKR. You can select whatever currency in your uh, country currency. You can select here country currency. If it is India INR, you can select it over here. First you select the country and INR. After that you add the bank account. So after that, after complete the bank account, there is a withdraw option. Click on the withdraw and transfer option. Now here, now your fund you can going to withdraw to your bank. So click on the withdraw to bank option. You can get this form. Here you can select your from USD. Your currency is USD. If it is USD, you can select USD. If it is Euro, you can select a Euro. Okay, so here I have only balance is USD balance. You can select this one. Select your amount. This is the current amount. Okay, your amount are here. Here select your appropriate bank account. Okay, so I have connect 2 bank accounts. So I am going to select one of them. Okay, so after that you have to select the amount which you going to withdraw. So I have almost altogether 139. If you want to withdraw only $50, you will be able to type $50. the the transfer amount will be calculated according to your currency rate. It will be calculating the USD to your currency rate. It will be, your amount will be showing here $130. It will be convert as your LKR, USD to LKR. It will be connected here. It's a 1 USD to LKR. If it is Indian rate, it will be calculated according to the your country rate. USD to your country rate, it will calculate and show it. After that, you can click review. Okay, this is your country rate. Okay, for the USD to your country rate, it will be calculated according to your country rate. Dollars are calculated as your country rate. Okay, this is the currency. So I'm going to click review. After that, you can select this one. This all things are, it will be there. Okay, your $1 to $1, what's that $1 rate, current rate is there. After that, the almost how much you can get your bank, all the things, amount deposit. Okay, click withdraw option. You can get the notification on your phone. There is a code will send to Payoneer. That code you enter over here. I just received the code into my mobile, so I'm going to enter that particular code over here to confirm whether you are the person who are going to withdraw this authorization paper. That's why the click submit. You can get your fund to your bank account within 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, you can get your fund to your bank. Okay, it's very fastest gateway. Okay, this is a Payoneer. Okay, it's a very fast way. If you go and check your balance again, go to home, you withdraw all your currency. Here there is no currencies there. Okay, so you withdraw all the fund in your bank. Okay, thank you for watching.